Hello everyone, my name is Reema, a second-year marketing management student, and I will be sharing with you our simple tuna Alfredo pasta recipe that will definitely amaze others even if you just did it with a few ingredients. If you want to know more about the recipe and the process, just keep on watching. So, let us begin with the ingredients. The ingredients are 1 liter of water, spaghetti pasta, a half a shallot, 3 cloves of garlic, all-purpose seasoning, 1 can of plain tuna, easy melt cheese, 1 whole cup of all-purpose cream, 1/4 buttermilk, and 5 tablespoons of oil. Now, let us move on to the process. Mince the garlic, mince the half of a shallot, preheat the pan at the lowest setting. Once the pan has heated, put in your 1 liter of water. Let it boil. Put in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Stir it. Once the water is boiling, throw in your spaghetti pasta. Cook the pasta according to the bucket instructions. In our case, we had to boil it for 12 minutes. Let it boil. Once your pasta has been cooked, turn off the heat and strain the pasta. It should look like this. Now, let us move on to making the sauce of the tuna Alfredo recipe. First, throw in a tablespoon of cooking oil and spread it all over the pan. Following that, grab your 1/4 butter and let it melt onto the pan. Grab your minced shallot and minced garlic and let it fry into the pan, alongside with the butter and oil. Next, saute the tuna. After sauteing the tuna, throw in the all-purpose cream. Stir in the mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. You may opt to using salt and pepper. Lastly, add your grated cheese onto the mixture and let it melt. Now onto the plating. Grab your pasta and throw in the sauce on top of it. It should look like this. And that's it for the tuna Alfredo recipe. This pasta is made with simple ingredients but is definitely creamy and flavorful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, stay safe everyone.